Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. What's up? What's up? It's your girl, Lady M here, and today's video is going to be all about this Tower 28. Let me grab the box. Tower 28 Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Mineral Tinted Sunscreen. It's called Sunnydays. That's what we're gonna be talking about in today's video. I'm gonna give you my first impressions, my review, show you the demo, and of course, this is the finished look of this product. But before we hop into what my thoughts are, how did this work, all that jazz, if you are part of the Lady M fam, then please take some time to hit that subscribe button down below. While you're there, turn on your notification bells to be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into this review, first impressions of the Tower 28 SPF Sunscreen Foundation. Let's go. So let's go ahead and jump into the Tower 28 SPF Broad Spectrum Mineral Tinted Moisturizer. It is marketed as a sunscreen foundation. So I was like curious to kind of see, you know, how this would work on my skin. I don't typically like to do mineral sunscreens, but it does have the SPF 30, which protects from UVA, UVB rays. So I figured this would be something perfect, you know, for the summertime. Well, you just want to add a little bit of, you know, either evening out the skin without being overly done, or you just kind of wanted to add a little bit of coverage to cover up your imperfections, then this could possibly be a good product. But how does it work on our dark skin? So that's what we're going to be talking about today. So I got the Sephora app here, and I am just going to tell you a little bit about the Tower 28 Sunnydays SPF 30 Tinted Sunscreen Foundation. Now, my first call out is definitely the shade ranges, because I feel like I don't even know if this is really going to work. So we're going to play with that today too. They have 13 shades. It is a natural finish. It's good for acne blemishes. It's real safe SPF. It's from the Clean It Sephora brand or brand of products. The coverage is said to be light. So again, if you just want to kind of even out the imperfections, then this is going to be right up your alley. It is vegan. So what is it? It is a 2-in-1 fragrance-free mineral sunscreen foundation that does have SPF 30. It says light to medium buildable coverage, which we're gonna see today. And it's a natural finish, and it's good for sensitive skin or problematic skin. Some of the ingredients call out is non-nano zinc oxide, which is a sunscreen that protects from UVA, UVB damage, and it's suitable for sensitive skin. It has prickly pear extract, which is reparative and helps protect from blue light pollution. And then it has white sage extract, which is what helps reduce the appearance of irritation and helps to neutralize free radicals from the sun. So it sounds like a really good product, but is it going to be for our type of skin? It does retail for $30, and you're getting about an ounce of product. So again, typical price for, you know, these kinds of products. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. This is the box, what it looks like. Kind of simple, you know, but packaging, nothing too fancy. It does have the plastic squeeze tube, and then the tip is just going to be that, I don't know, squeezy tube tip. Yeah, so let's go ahead and jump into this and let's get started. All right, I don't know if I have to shake it up, but anyway, I am shaking it up. So I thought it was like a push tip, but it actually is a squeeze tip, and it seems, oh yeah, and then that's what the tip looks like. So I am just going to put it on. Remember I said that I didn't know if this shade was going to work. Oh, wow, okay. All right, okay, I can dig it. Now, if I could describe the consistency, it's not thin and it's not runny either. So let me just try to do it here so you guys can see. It is kind of thick. Did you see that? How it comes out kind of thick? So that's like, I would equate I would equate that to about 2 pumps that I have. Now, it does say that if you want light coverage, which is just to kind of even out the skin, to use your fingers. And then it said that if you wanted more coverage, like medium coverage, then it says to apply with your sponge or your brush. But I'm not a sponge kind of person, so I am going to blend it out with the brush. So got my little Morphe brush, so let's do it. And look, right off the bat, I think the color is a good match. Remember, I think I said it had 13 shades. That's what I saw on Sephora's website. And I bought this a while ago, but just never got around to using it. So now I'm just trying to discover new products and use some of my products. So look at that. Just off that alone, I do see that it evened out my skin for sure. Now let me test the coverage, because I have like some black spots up here on my forehead. And so if I get coverage, but as you can tell, I am packing in the foundation. So I'm definitely gonna get coverage, because that's how you build up coverage, by pounding the skin with the brush. So, okay, I'm only gonna do half of my face, and then I'm gonna come back, you know, with the other full face blended out so you guys can see. So what do we think? Line down, non-product side with the product. And I think I got me some medium coverage for sure. Okay, so be back. Okay, so finish blending out. Everything looks pretty good so far, but as you all know, whenever I test out products, I like to apply everything on top to really see how the product works with other products. Does it blend? Does it cake? Does it come apart? You know, all that jazz. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna go put on my concealer, bronzer. I do have some Tower 28 goodies that I'm gonna test. I have their cream blush. This is called Golden Hour, and I think this is like an orangey one. Obviously the name, Golden Hour, right? And then I have some lippies from them that was part of their holiday collection. So I have used this before. It's not my first time using it. That, and I have these little jelly gloss thingies. So yeah, we're gonna do all of that, and then I'll be back to tell you what my final thoughts are. But so far, I feel like I got me some medium coverage for sure. All right, let's do this. Okay, so I finished off my face, my eyes, everything. So now I already have on some blush, but I have on the cream blush, but now I want to add a little bit of bronzer. Whoa. This bronzer is like, whoa. Not what I was expecting at all. But anyway, it applied nicely. There's no patchiness or anything. So I feel like the product plays nicely. Let me just get this around the edges. So super nice. Still looking good as far as the coverage goes. It's not melting down or like fading or anything like that. So, okay, Tower 28. Okay, so I'll be back with my final thoughts. All right, guys, so I finished off everything and this is still looking amazing. I am talking about, where is it? Where are you? This Tower 28 SPF 30 Sunnydays tinted sunscreen, but it is a foundation. You guys, this looks amazing. The color looks good. I was outside earlier in the sun and it photographed amazingly, even though there's no like blurring or any smoothing technology in the product. I used a mattifying, blurring, smoothing primer underneath just to give me that nice canvas, and then I went in with this. And so far, I have to say that I really like it. The shade that I have is 63rd Street. How cute, right? That is the shade that I have, and I have to say, like, from the moment that I applied the shade, I felt like the color was pretty good. And this said that it's light coverage. No, excuse me. I feel like I got medium coverage, so that was pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with my first use of this product. And I definitely feel like it is something that is easy to work into your routine. There's so many people out there that look for something just to put on when they're gonna run errands because they just wanna look, you know, done but not overly done. So if you're in that category, then I feel like you're gonna really like this product. Now for me, I am the one that goes out with no makeup. Like, I may have on mascara, lip gloss, and that's it if I'm running errands. But if I'm looking to get glammed up and stuff, I feel like this would perform very nicely. Now, I haven't worn it obviously for a long time to see how it wears throughout the day, but I'm pretty confident that this is gonna look pretty good. Now, is this something that I would wear going out at nighttime? Absolutely not. This would be like on the day that I'm going to maybe brunch, or I'm going somewhere that I wanna look done, then this would be something that I would possibly reach for. So pretty good. I like it. It's in the category of all the other amazing skin tints that we've had since the end of last year until now. So I feel like Tower 28 did pretty good with this. So I'm excited to keep using this. So stay tuned to see if this reaches in a favorites video or something, because I feel like this is a good start. All right, guys, thank you for joining me in today's video. If you aren't part of the Lady M fam, then what are you waiting for? Please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. If you are a part of the fam but you're not getting notified, turn on your notification bells to be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, guys, I will catch you in the next one. Until then, take care, be safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.